Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Breaking Into Software. It's your host, Sarah Hudson. Today's episode is a short episode. I'm going to cover a random question or topic I've been thinking about. All right, here we go. So today my short episode is about working at Google or Microsoft. So you want to work at Google. Well, here's how. You need to become good at coding, understanding data structures, and be ready to put a lot of work in. This could take months of practicing every single day, depending on where you're starting from. There are no shortcuts. There's no easy way out. You need to get ready to work. Did that scare you away? It wasn't what you wanted to hear? Well, good, because you probably aren't cut out for Google then. Yep, that's what I said. You probably aren't cut out for Google if you're not ready and willing to put a lot of work in. If that didn't deter you, then great. Forget about all the other obstacles in your way, because if you're willing to work hard, accept the time it takes, then I'm sure you'll get there eventually, just like I did. No, it doesn't matter what school you went to, what your current GPA is, who your parents are, or what your background is. Google judges based on talent, and talent is something that you can develop. You don't think you're talented? Then become talented. You don't know data structures? Then learn them. Literally just go to Google and type in how to learn data structures. Get some experience. Work on your campus for a CS professor or for free for a small company. Try a program like Google Summer of Code or a similar one. There are a lot out there. Just focus on learning. If you can't find anything else, spend your free time building a small app that you have designed and created yourself. There's tons of free tutorials online showing you how to do this. Get good at talking to people. If you're not a people person, learn how to be one. Network. Network with everyone. Network with your CS teachers, network with other students, and anyone you work with or for. Connections build bridges to new opportunities. That is the best way to get noticed by a large company, is to find people who work there that you have a connection with. And you do that by networking with the people you know now. And eventually those people lead to new people, and they lead to more people. And one day you find yourself with a connection to someone who works at your dream company. You get a referral from them, they look at your resume, they decide they want to interview you, and because you've been putting all the work in, you're ready for that interview and you get the job. Opportunities are everywhere if you're willing to look for them and you're ready for them when they open. So if one day you find the perfect opportunity and you haven't been putting the work in and you're not ready, that opportunity might go away. And that's your fault for not being prepared. Look for opportunities that are related specifically to you. Are you a minority? Then use that. Are you a freshman? Then you aren't too young. Look for internships for freshmen. You're not in college, you just changed careers. There's things also just for you. Plenty of opportunities that have been created specifically for people who are changing industries. I'm telling you, people like to feel disadvantaged. They like to feel like the whole world is working against them and everything is just not in their favor. It's not their fault. They're being discriminated against. And yes, things like that happen. Discrimination happens. Sometimes your journey will be a lot harder than someone else's. But if you want to get into a company, I guarantee there's a way if you're willing to work for it and put the time in. Anyway, that's my little spiel on how you get into Google. Well, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the episode. As always, please let me know what you thought and any specific questions you'd like me to answer. If you enjoyed the show, please help me out by telling your friends and sharing this episode with others and on your social media accounts. The more people who hear it, the more people I'm able to help. And if you want to support me financially, you can do so by visiting my website, www.breakingintosoftware.com, and clicking on the support tab.